It's time for another upgrade.
Hey, welcome to Race Toolbox. Today we're going to put some fence visors on the car. We put some on the truck before. They're the ones that go inside the channel of the window. These stick on with adhesive 3M tape on the back of them. So stick around, let me show you how to do that.
I prefer to buy the ones in a light smoke color. That way it's easier to see through them from the inside. It's a little bit safer to see other cars that way. The first thing to do, of course, is to dry fit it. Make sure that you have the right product. Make sure it fits. If your new visors do not come with a alcohol prep or something like that, we need to take some alcohol and clean the edges where the new adhesive is going to be sticking to. Make sure that it's clean. The visors come with some 3M tape already in place on the visor itself. There's some red tape that's protecting the sticky side on the car side of it, of course. The first thing to do is get the backing to start to peel off and leave a flap on each end so we can peel it off once we have it in place. Once we have it, press down the ends and then pull that backing off as you press down the adhesive tape firmly onto the car. Everything's lined up. Take your time, press it down good. Then it's simply a matter of going to the other windows and doing the same with them. The thing that I like about vent visors, we can have the windows rolled down a couple inches during the summertime. That excess heat doesn't build up and get everything so incredibly hot inside. And that helps everything inside, including the dash and upholstery and electronics. And of course, when it rains, things do not get wet inside. Kind of a win-win. After everything's pressed down in place, we need to protect this for 24 to 48 hours from moisture, rain, no car washes, anything like that. And it really is that simple and that quick. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe yet, please do so. Ring that bell, and that way you'll know when the next video is out. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.